Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can clone your WhatsApp in your POCO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings and then you have to click on apps. You can see here it is. Click on app cloner. Here it is WhatsApp. You have to create app clone and it is you can see WhatsApp is clone is added to your screen. And friends, here you can see two WhatsApp is showing. This is the WhatsApp one and this is the clone version. You can run here your second account of WhatsApp here, and if you want to just delete it, you have to disable this and it will delete your cloned version. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.